These fabulous Belgian black marble vases, which were made in the 18th century, were made by hand. And what is so extraordinary is the handles are part of the solid. Now, being part of the solid would have meant that they couldn't have been put on a lathe to be able to get this round circular finish. It would have therefore had to have meant that somebody would have had to have hand chiseled this round circle, which would have been an incredibly difficult thing to do. They also have these C scrolls running all the way down. And what would have been incredibly difficult is getting all the scrolls exactly the same size. Now, you can imagine starting from here and getting the first scroll right and then moving on to the second scroll. But what would have been most frustrating is by the time they had got round to the other side, making certain that the last scroll was exactly the same size as the first scroll. And what is extraordinary is they're all exactly the same. The other extraordinary thing is that this is not just one, it's a pair. And being a pair, they both had to be exactly the same measurements. It would therefore have been very complicated making the second one, because the carver would have been really on edge to make certain that he didn't make a mistake, because otherwise he'd have had to have altered the first one all over again.